A key part of survival is knowing how to build a shelter. Now to do that, we need to learn a few things, like how to tie a square lashing. So today, that's what we're going to learn. The square lashing is a super quick and effective way to tie two posts together, making it essential for building shelters or temporary structures in a hurry. Let's give this a go. First, we're going to cross the poles and wrap the rope around the bottom pole, making sure the working end of the rope is on top. Leave yourself a sufficient length of rope on the working end. Once done, wrap the working end around the post again, threading it under the first wrap. This creates a clove hitch, which is the basis of your knot. Now it's time to twist the static end of the rope around the rope's working end. Then weave the working end around the posts, making sure the rope goes behind the vertical post and over the horizontal post, then under the vertical and over the horizontal again. Repeat this wrap a few more times, pulling the rope to tighten as you go. Afterwards, wrap the rope so it now crosses in front of the vertical post and behind the horizontal post. You'll want to do this several more times. When you think your lashing is sturdy enough, tie it off with a clove hitch. Wrap the working end once around the horizontal pole to create a loop. Then loop around the pole again and thread it through the first loop. Mastering square lashings is a crucial skill for quickly building shelters and structures in survival scenarios. It's a simple yet effective knot that can make all the difference when you're out in the wilderness. That's all for today. Be prepared and stay safe out there.